Yep. 7 quarts, 100% synthetic oil, Signature Series 520. Here we go. What were you saying there about the Scout?
No, put it here. Right there.
Alright, so we're already going, so it's good. What were you saying?
Opportunities.
Yeah.
Of being able to, like, you know, there's things that you can do.
Right.
You know? And
here we go.
There it goes. She's gonna drink it up this time, man.
Oh yeah. This truck is gonna love it. 7 quarts of some finest 100% synthetic.
And this guy's driving around all over the place.
All over the place. And look at this, you can tell by the engine bay.
I'm telling you, man.
But we're gonna take care of it for him. And this is better, outperforms that full synthetic oil that you're used to in the stores. This is not full synthetic. This is better, 100% synthetic. Yes, there's a huge difference. Resists heat, better miles per gallon, protects the motor better. Purest oil. Yeah, he uses this every day for work, right?
Mm-hmm.
Number 2. Number 2 of 7. Number 3. Just drinks and
there it goes.
That's 3 of 7. Number 4. Number 5.
Almost lost it there. You almost had it.
Always controlled. We're just racing, and that's 5 of 7. Cap these up.